What makes Kanye West the most creative guy in the music industry? After I listened to his countless interviews and listened to some of his music, I determined there are 3 tricks that Kanye West used to be creative. And you can use these tricks to be one of the best creators out there. Now, here's the thing about creativity. Everyone tries to copy each other, and everyone tends to get inspiration to make something original. This is something you shouldn't overlook because learning the basics can actually help you make something original. Now, when you think about it, almost everyone is copying each other, which is why you get this quote from William Ng, wherever you say his name. Originality is just undetected plagiarism. Sure, learning the basics is easy, but how do you get your art out into the world? Which is why everyone needs confidence. Picture this. You are trying to make a YouTube video. You put your whole heart and soul to it. But once you post it, it gets low amount of views. Now, there are 2 pills that you can take. You can either quit and not post at YouTube at all, or you can try again and never give up. I know what I'm choosing. Now, confidence is not only about not giving up, but it's also believing in yourself. Now, as we reach the top of the brain, you're probably thinking, what is the 3rd one that everyone needs to know? Almost every artist has this ability, and this ability is to express yourself. You see, to show off your true colors, you need a canvas. But when you show the true colors and the canvas to the world, some people will hate it and some people will like it. Even when everyone doesn't like it, the point is, there's always someone who likes your canvas, your true colors. And you can't get rid of those colors just because someone doesn't like you. I mean, that's what Kanye did when he makes music. What about you?